Every day in hospitals, hundreds of hands press the same elevator buttons, spreading what no one sees. A landmark study found 61% of hospital elevator buttons colonized with bacteria, worse than toilet surfaces. In Canada, 220,000 healthcare-associated infections every year, 8,000 deaths. In the US, 1 in 31 patients is affected. Resistant pathogens like VRE are rising over 23%. The cost? Tens of billions in preventable treatment. You have controlled every surface in your facility, except the one everyone touches. Introducing HOLO LIFT from EEA Solutions, the world's most advanced touchless elevator dispatching system, combining 2 breakthrough technologies. Interactive holographic buttons float in midair. Passengers select floors without ever touching a surface. Up, first of its kind offline voice activation. No Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi needed. Self-contained, fully reliable. HOLO LIFT enhances accessibility with intuitive voice commands, empowering wheelchair users, the elderly, and visually impaired passengers. Help. In emergencies, simply say "help" to trigger an instant alert. No buttons required. Retrofit easily to any existing elevator system. Keep your current buttons. Add HOLO LIFT with 0 downtime. Fully certified in Canada and the United States. Pilot HOLO LIFT. Safer elevators start here. Schedule a demo today.
Parking 5. Parking 6. Parking 4. Parking 3. Parking 3. Parking 1. First floor.
First floor.
First floor.
Parking 1.
Parking 1.
Parking 3.
Parking 3.
Parking 6.
Parking 6.